welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find a blocked memory on CrushOn AI. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOn AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like Explore, Search, Create and your profile. Under your profile, if you go to top right corner, you're gonna find Settings option. Now under Settings you can see options like Language, Auto Translate Characters Info, Account Settings, Manage Account and finally My Blogs. Now under My Blogs you're gonna find 4 categories: Users, Characters, Memories and Tags. Now if you tap on memory from the screen, you're gonna find the memory that you've blocked. And guys, that's it. That's how you find a blocked memory on CrushOn AI. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.